Hi, I'm Julia Mendiolea. Get ready, you're about to watch our newest historic landmark get a punk rock makeover.
1, 2, 3, go!
All right, what's happening?
Your performance at Casa Bonita will be unlike any performance that I have ever seen.
Oh. If I were to pick what our show would be like at Casa Bonita, I want to play by some sort of rushing water, if at all possible. Okay?
I think we can make that happen. So I want to know what you guys love about Denver.
Why we love Denver is because the city kicks ass. And there's so many great bands, good music scene, all of that.
How are you guys doing back there?
As of late, just a resurgence in the music scene.
So, UMS is actually not that far away.
No.
Are you excited for it?
I am very excited. I will be out in LA and then I will come back to play. Yes. Wake up, dudes! We're at
here!
Casa Bonita! Look at this. It's Sloan's Lake.
It's Sloan's Lake.
Lover's Lake.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
I heard a story once that someone actually got attacked by an octopus in there.
What?
They had a very straight face, and
Tall tale. Why?
I believe
that is a tall. that's urban. That's bull. Yeah, that's not true. I do know there is a whale in it.
Oh.
That's factual. But
see, I don't believe that one.
No. What? A freshwater whale resides in Sloan's Lake.
All right, I'll believe it when I see
it. For kids, it's part of the
We'll
paddle
come
boat
back.
experience.
We'll come back.